Okay, so I'm riding today with a couple of guys from the Sacramento Dual Sport Facebook group. And I haven't ridden with either of them yet, but this should be fun. And we've got a Husqvarna 501, and I'm assuming a Yamaha, maybe 450 or so. Not sure what the Yamaha is, or if that's a Yamaha, but I think it is. So we're in the search for dirt. I guess we're going to ride a bit of street today, but we're looking for dirt. Okay, so we're currently riding 4-Bay Road. Okay, so we are still coming down 4-Bay Road. We're dropping into Slab Creek Reservoir. Actually, this is where the river is that runs into Slab Creek. Very cool. Okay. We're going to go down that dirt road over there. Out to the top of this mountain. Yeah, we gained a lot of altitude in that short little distance there. So there was a sign back there that said bridge closed. Oh yeah, it is closed. It is missing. Wow. That is cool. I wonder why they closed it.
I don't know, I can't figure it out.
I didn't look how far this hangs over. Oh, not bad.
We can go down in the river, bounce through the river, and then back up.
Cross over there. Yeah, that's the thing. We're so high, I can't tell how big the rocks are or how deep it is either.
This looks deeper here.
Till we get down there. I mean, if those are 2-foot rocks, they're going to be a little bit hard to get across.
Oh no, those are probably, I would say, foot at the most.
Yeah. Okay. Actually, that doesn't bother me as much as this. I don't know why. Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, because it looks steep.
Yeah, it's going to be steep.
So
I don't mind that.
Kind of come up it and then around that big rock.
Right.
Like for the tree.
I might go to the right of the rock for me. Just head right up it. I don't know. I might also be down there somewhere, so we'll find out. I don't know. Foot and a half. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Yeah, that's what I'm worried about. Now see if we can get enough traction to actually get up that hill there. So, we going back that way? I'm tempted to get off and walk it across.
Hey Terry, get on the other side of the bike. This way if you fall, you don't fall in the river.
So our next stop is the Hotel Bret Harte. This hotel was built in the beginning of 1920s by A.P.T. Elder. This hotel is way out in the middle of nowhere. I mean, it's about an hour and a half out of Placerville, and when you come across it, it is just mind-boggling to see this place. So Mr. Elder's plan was to turn this hotel into a high-end hunting lodge. He was going to sell 500 memberships to a bunch of his friends from back east at $500 a pop. Then he had planned on selling the lodge to some promoters out of Los Angeles, and if he had had it filled with all these people and all their memberships, it would have been an easy sell. Unfortunately, Mr. Elder passed away in 1924 suddenly and unexpectedly. When he passed away, his heirs decided they didn't have any desire to continue on with his dream, so they ended up gutting the hotel and selling everything that was inside of it. All the furniture, all the fixtures, plumbing, everything. They sold everything. And from that time on, the hotel just sat there and rotted away. Speaking of rotting away, Mr. Elder actually scavenged a bunch of railroad ties from local train trestle bridges in the area to use for building this hotel. And some of that lumber was actually rotten. It was not solid at all. So the hotel was susceptible to falling down, which it did in the future. In this next photo, you're going to see the roof of the hotel has actually collapsed after a heavy snow. So here I am entering the hotel from the right-hand side of the building. I didn't know where the entrance was at this point. I hadn't found any history on it yet, so I had just pulled up to here. This is the actual entrance to the hotel, these stairs leading up. And it's just gorgeous to look at this. And almost everything here is built out of quartz. I mean, all the walls, these big pillars everywhere, everything's built out of quartz rock. It's shiny white quartz rock. These photos really don't show that. It must have been an amazing sight back in the day when it was actually completed. This is a photo of the fireplace inside the lodge. And I'm not sure if this is the correct one or not, but this is a fireplace after the fall of the building. And this thing's huge. It's got to be 8 feet across in each direction. It's massive. Here you can see some of the rock walls built into the hillside. This was actually the wine cellars and cold storage. And as you can imagine, this would have been pretty effective when the roof was on. So the following video is actually from when we first arrived, and I had no back history on the hotel. So everything I'm experiencing is real time as I'm seeing it. If you ever get a chance, I highly recommend you come out and check this out. It was just amazing. We're at a hotel. I don't know what hotel this is, but it's an old hotel. Very, very old. Very cool too. I don't know if you can even see that. It's the rock walls everywhere. They kind of blend in. You're probably going to skid plate that one.
And these walls are cool.
It's so cool. Yeah. This is so awesome. I'm just taking you on a tour. My feet are squeaking because we had to go through the creek earlier. So cool. Yeah, it's huge. It just keeps going and going and going. It goes way back beyond the trees there. This is a big place at one time. Something tipped over, I don't know what it was. Tower or something.
This thing goes all the way over.
It's huge. It goes way down that way.
It goes way down there.
Yeah.
There's some steps and everything that goes up over there.
So what's the name of this?
It's a Bret Hart.
Bret Hart? Bret Hart Hotel?
Yeah. Brett or Brent? Brett. Brett?
Bret Hart Hotel. All right. Yeah, I got to bring my brothers here. This is cool.
Yeah, it's just kind of neat.
Never been here.
It's not easy.
Go ahead. Probably the entry stairway. Hard to know. This place is huge. It just keeps going and going.
This is entry, man.
It sure looks like it.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
they park down below there.
It's pretty grand.
Yeah, that's a big old piece of quartz there.
Here's the road, yeah. This would be the, I guess, the road. You know, you got your little horse and cart.
Right?
And they're like,
Oh, cool, man.